Yo, today on Silly Arabs, I'm gonna see what the fuss is about. Two girls, one cup. They say that it's a really disgusting video. Two girls, one cup. And I've seen lots of crazy reactions on YouTube. So I'm gonna check it out. And I'll show you my reaction. Okay? How about that? I like yours. Oh, with your mouth? Oh, oh! Oh my god!